get involved with some spooky ribs, people. Aha! Hello and welcome to Barbecue Jams. Tonight, everyone, we are going to be cooking up some spooky party ribs. I hope you are ready. Please stay in tune, like, subscribe, all those wonderful things we're going to be doing tonight. We're going to be having a blast, cooking up some amazing jams also. So who is going to be cooking up those jams? Well, we have Angel Torre on guitar. We also have John Kendall on guitar and Ryan Cobb on bass and myself, Will Bloomberg, on drums. So without further ado, people, let's get involved. Here we are. We have some baby back ribs. I've got a 3-pack here. We're going to be pulling these out, drying them off, cutting them up, but before I cut them, I'm going to be pulling this membrane off first and then cutting them up, doing a mustard slather, and then popping on some of this Haywood's pork rub right on. So here we go. One slab, two slabs, three slabs. All right. Actually, let me pat this dry, pull off the membrane, and show you guys how this is done. Just like that. And now, we're going to divide these up. We're going to cut them all up. All right, and next, we're going to be going on with some mustard. All right, we're going to be putting on some of this Haywood's pork rub. Give it a shot. They have great rubs over there, by the way. They have a really good brisket rub, too. But anyway. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to set these aside. I'm going to go ahead and fix up the rest of these, and then we're going to be popping them on the green egg. So you guys stay tuned, hang out, listen to these jams. Check out my really horrible costume I have on today. It's amazing, actually. I love this thing. And we'll see you back here in a minute. Okay, so we're looking at about 275, 300, depending on your temp on your grill. And we're gonna be popping these party ribs on right now. And we're gonna let them go till they hit about 195, 200. But every 30 minutes, we're gonna be flipping them. So just remember that. All right, guys, get involved. Yeah. Been 30 minutes. Let's do a turn. Okay, we're all turning around. We're gonna catch you guys back here in a little bit. If you guys enjoy these jams, like and subscribe. Come on, people, let's have some fun. We're gonna throw on some of the sauce. We're gonna baste them on up. We're gonna let them go until about 200 degrees. So here we go. We're gonna give these 5. We'll be right back. We're gonna flip them, baste them again, and we're gonna be eating. Woo! right, we're flipping, and we're gonna be basting, so here we go. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish basting these ribs. We're gonna be pulling here in just a few minutes, and we're gonna be chowing down, so you guys get involved, come on. Alright guys, we're pulling, getting ready to put together this this spooky ribs, guys, so it's gonna be delicious. Alright guys, we are all cooked up. We are ready to get involved with some of these ribs. I'm going to bring some of these guys in over here. We have John Kendall. Come on down, bud. Woo! Yeah. Looking good, Bubba. Sweet. You excited tearing some of these ribs?
Absolutely, man. I can't wait.
Oh, man.
Can't wait.
Well, dude, we're about to do it. We're also going to bring in Angel Toro over here and also Ryan Cobb. What's going on, guys? You guys are looking great, by the way. Hey, nice outfit, too, Ryan. You're looking good,
Costume.
Well, without further ado, you guys have been waiting. Let's go ahead and dive in and grab a rib and see what you guys think. So, these are the party ribs, so
Let's do some damage.
grab one and see what happens, man.
Hey, touche.
All right.
Cheers.
Hey,
Looking for the
cheers.
sauciest one over here.
Saucy.
There you go.
Gotta get the saucy. Woo, woo. All right, people. Ooh. Oh, man.
That was really good.
Really tender.
Those are terrible.
Right off the bat. Oh, man. I'm definitely getting some hair in my mouth from this thing.
Dude, hell yeah, these are good.
Oh, yeah. Ooh.
Just drop some.
Dude.
You killed it with those, man.
Thank you very much. It's not your traditional rib that you would smoke on a long smoke, you know. These are kind of quick, a little bit faster, in and out. Man, these worked out perfect. I might even put a little extra sauce on these, actually.
I think I might do the same.
Guys, come on. You guys ready to get involved in these
These
jams
things
tonight,
don't
too?
need anything else.
Oh, dude, this is right on time. Whoa! All right. Spooky ribs, baby.
There you go, man.
Woo!
Angel, do that again.
Oh, dude, these are great.
I should probably just eat it. I wouldn't.
Oh, man.
You better be careful. You're probably going to make the thumbnail with that face you just
Yeah.
made.
Oh, dynamite. Guys, y'all gotta get involved with some of these spooky ribs. They're off the charts. These are so good.
I don't even remember how to eat ribs. It's been so long.
I know, it's been a minute, huh?
There's no right way, man.
Let's go for it.
Little
Clean the
in your
bone
belly.
now. You gotta clean the bone. Woo! Guys, I can't wait for some of these jams tonight.
Oh yeah.
Thank y'all for being here tonight and having a good time. Get involved. I'm gonna bring some extra guests over here and have them on and try these ribs out. So
I'm stealing another one though.
do it. Go for it, man. Go for it.
Me too.
Don't be shy.
You're not supposed to eat the bone, Angel, okay?
Okay, got it.
I'm gonna bring some other people on. You wanna get Martine? We also have James Salzer over here. We also have Miss Chris over here. And come on in, guys. Y'all wanna come in? We also have Ashley down. So come on in. You guys grab a rib and get involved. What's up, dude? How's it going, Martine?
Brother, thank you for having me again.
Man, my pleasure. Your hair looks incredible.
Woo, yeah,
You're really waiting for
I
it.
feel incredible. Yeah.
It's amazing how much it grew in a week.
Oh, man. Yeah, I know, right?
All
Yeah,
right.
go for it. Grab a rib.
Spooky
And I need to
ribs.
grab some more paper towels for the crew.
Oh,
You mind? Yeah, I know. I need to grab some more paper towels. Let me do that.
uh-oh. Where are they, William, again?
John's going in to grab some.
It's just not service and start to make drums.
What do you think? Pretty good?
Awesome.
Like, no, really good.
Dude.
Dude,
No service.
nice.
No,
It's okay. Hey, thanks, Chris. I appreciate that. Nice.
Really good, fantastic.
All right, sweet.
Wow.
Ashley, you doing all right over here? All right, she's speechless. Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
We have James Salzer over here too. You want to come on over and get involved, James
All
Salzer?
right. Let me get one.
All right, go for it.
All right.
Oh, dude, you're going for the big daddy.
Ooh.
Oh, pork head down, pork head down.
Oh my God.
Uh-oh.
Uh-huh. These are wonderful.
Hey! All right, we got a wonderful. Good job there, buddy.
So I must believe you about
Oh my God, guys, we are having a ball over here.
I must believe you.
Y'all need to get involved with some of these party ribs. We'll be right back. We'll catch you here in a minute. Excellent show tonight. Oh my God, these party ribs were off the charts, guys. You've got to try them. What do you guys think of those party ribs tonight? Incredible, incredible. Please get involved with some of those. We also have John Kendall over here. I'm gonna hook him up with some merch from the merch company, by the way. Come on down.
All right.
What's up, Baba? Yeah, man, we gotta hook you up with one of these really sweet looking barbecue jams.
Not my normal style hat, but I'll do it for you.
Oh, okay, I appreciate that. Yeah, not mine either, I guess, but you know. Let it roll. Let's see what you got, buddy. Yeah, looking good.
You got this.
Do the adjustment.
Oh, that feels right there.
Yeah, buddy, looking sharp, looking good.
Nice.
And we also
Upgrade.
have a really nice shirt to go along with that hat of yours there, buddy.
Rad, man.
Hey, guess what? It's official. You big barbecue jam. Hey, thanks so much for being here, guys, tonight. Thank y'all so much. Please like, subscribe. You guys know the drill. Let's get involved, people. Come on. Woo! Barbecue jam, barbecue jam, barbecue jam.